Hey guys, welcome back to Flex Cards, and today we'll be ripping Panini Illusions Retails. 2 blasters and 2 fat packs. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, flex.cards, and I will be having a giveaway at 150 followers. So there's 6 packs, 6 cards in each of these, and these are fat packs with orange and teal exclusives in these fat packs. Go ahead and open these first. See a rookie card already. It's my first time opening Illusions, so I'm not sure what exactly the parallels are or like the special hits. Thaddeus Young, John Wall, Will Barton, Hassan Whiteside, we have Terrence Ross, we have a gold John Wall, I believe, non-numbered, Kevin Durant, Dorian Finney-Smith, Markelle Fultz. Here are the rookies: Adam Schofield, Nickeil Alexander-Walker, and a Jordan Poole. We'll sleeve these after. It's a decent fat pack. These here. Another fat pack. Start it with Robert Covington, Kyle Kuzma with the blonde hair, interesting. Joel Embiid, Brooke Lopez. Oh, this is what we want. Clear shots. CJ McCollum. I believe this is, yep, you can see right through it. Interesting card. Klay Thompson. Here's JJ. Bismack Biyombo. Bojan. Rookie for the Suns, Cameron Johnson. Terrence Mann, Ignas Brazdeikis. We'll leave these rookies over here. Now we can go into the blasters. All these cards will be sleeved up. I just sleeve them after to save time. So 6 cards per pack, 6 packs. Start this with John Collins, Duncan Robinson, Montrez, Mike Conley's green, I believe. Can leave that in your hits. It's colored. Trae Young, Quinndary Weatherspoon, rookie. Anthony Simmons, Seth Curry, Spencer Dinwiddie, Illusions, Legends, Living Legends, not a Magic Johnson. It's a beautiful card. And Marcus Smart, and a Bull rookie card. Next be Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, Anthony Davis, D'Angelo Russell, Rookie Reflections, Tyler Herro, and Dwayne Wade. Wow, this is a nice card. Tim Hardaway Jr., KZ Okpala. Julius Randle, Daniel House, Derek Jones Jr., Dorian Finney-Smith, Aaron Gordon, rookie will be Dylan Windler. 2 more packs. Tobias Harris, Derrick Rose, Marcus Morris Sr., Green, Drew Holiday, or Teal, Teal. MPJ, oh, good card. Ignis. Last packet of the first blaster. That's man on the back. Mitchell Robinson. Goran Dragic, Miles Turner, Bojan season highlights, Bam Adebayo, and Terrence Mann. Moving on to the last blaster. Six more packs. Let's see what we can pull. Maybe an auto, something. Zion. So we have Jonas Valanciunas, Dan Gallinari, Marc Gasol, Paul George. It's with stars. Bojan. Pulled a lot of Bojan. Carson Edwards, rookie card. Starting this with Wendell Carter Jr., Chris Paul, Lauri Markkanen, Kevin Huerter, Teal, and Davis Bertans with PJ Washington rookie card. Might be me, but the package feels a little bigger. No, I don't think anything special is in this. Eric Bledsoe, Josh Jackson, Terry Rozier, Zion Williamson rookie card with this New Orleans patch on it. It's an interesting card. It was bigger. It's number 1 card. Let's leave that up. Caris LeVert and a Naz Reid rookie card. TJ Warren, Kevin Love, Tristan Thompson, Astounding, Trae Young. This is not a bad box at all. So Carmelo Anthony, Taco Fall rookie card. Isaiah Roby. So Sabonis, Gordon Hayward, Draymond Green, Goga Batati, rookie card. Teal with Matthew Dellavedova, Isaiah Roby. Last pack. Look. Ja Morant on the back. Terrence Ross. Bruce Brown. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Career lineage Gary Payton. Taurean Prince. And a Ja Morant rookie base. So It's not bad cards out of 2 blasters, 2 fact packs. I'll give you guys a quick recap once I sleeve everything up. I'll actually sleeve them after. I'll show you guys. Actually, so we have Ja Morant, just pulled that one. Zion Williamson. We have career lineage. Bojan's season highlights. Paul George. Astounding Trae Young. Morant Base. Rookie reflections of Tyler Herro and Dwayne Wade. Klay Thompson, gold. CJ McCollum, clear shots. John Wall, gold. And our rookie pile. Now these cards aren't worth that much now, but if the players like progress, they'll be worth much more. Isaiah Roby, Taco Fall. Nas Reed, PJ Washington, Carson Edwards, Terrence Mann, Ignis, Dylan Winder, KZ Opala, Bol, Quindary Weatherspoon, Admiral Schofield, Jordan Poole, Nikhil Alexander Walker, Cameron Johnson, Terrence Mann, and Ignis. As well as these teal cards. We've only got one rookie. Goga Patazzi, Kevin Horter, Drew Holiday, Mike Conley, and a Living Legends Magic Johnson. So thanks for watching, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll be still having that giveaway, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back for more videos soon.